Bruh.
Jake Paul,
Bruh.
merch file, Ohio fried chicken, bitch.
Bruh.
We made this in one day. Tricky
Bruh.
Rick, Bobby Slick, Ohio boys,
Bruh.
let's hit it. Honky donk, honky donk. Ohio fried chicken is what it's called. I got my truck,
Bruh.
my overalls, just me and my boys making fried
Bruh.
chicken, y'all. Kentucky can't compete, no. OFCE,
Bruh.
sweep you off your feet. Please look up to me. We'll tell you what
Bruh.
to do. Tender's the move. Get yourself some sauce. Yeah,
Bruh.
you a boss. OFC, that's how we're living. Come around town, you'll find me sitting near a pretty
Bruh.
girl with no care, no problem in the world, not even her hair. I think I found what I finally
Bruh.
need. Chicken and a girl that's nice. I ain't thinking slow it down or speed it up. I'm making my way
Bruh.
to Ohio fried chicken, bitch. Honky donk, honky donk.
Bruh.
Ohio fried chicken is what it's called. I got my truck,
Bruh.
my overalls, just me and my boys making
Bruh.
fried chicken, y'all. They said I wouldn't make it. Nope. Now my chicken's
Bruh.
naked, and my truck is lifted. Shout out to my pops. I got my
Bruh.
piggy, I got my goat, but I still need a little
Bruh.
bow. I wanna make my family proud.
Bruh.
I just wanna sell out a crowd. I need a
Bruh.
girl who's down to ride. Working all day, that's
Bruh.
that Ohio pride. Honky donk, honky donk.
Bruh.
Ohio fried chicken is what it's called. I got my
Bruh.
truck, my overalls, just me and my boys
Bruh.
making fried chicken, y'all. Yeah, baby. Trio's rolling
Bruh.
up. Represent your country. We're here. Merch link in bio.
Bruh.
You need to cop that shit quick. But didn't we grow up in a suburb?
Bruh.
That doesn't. Bro, shut up, dude. Don't talk about that. Shit. My bad. My
Bruh.
friends are gonna make fun of me and shit. Alright. Sorry.
Bruh.
It's every day, bro. Peace.
Bruh. Bruh.